Hey everyone, and welcome back to Twoguysfinance. We help you make and save money, and today we're talking about a powerful way to do both AI content creation. That's right. If you are using generic stock photos, you are leaving money on the table. We are comparing two giants in 2025, the only one PHANT AI and the legendary MIDJOURNEY AI. Let's start with the categories. Let's just break it down in a simple comparison. Let's start with superpower. PHANT AI superpower, which has to do with text appearing. Yes, use text for PHANT AI. It is the all-in-one studio. It creates stunning images and videos from a single text prompt. While MidJourney AI, on the other hand, is the master artist. It's unbeatable for hyper-realistic and artistic still images. Still images. Now, when we look at ease of use, Font AI is super simple. It's a web and mobile app, so just type and go. Midjourney, on the other hand, is techy and powerful. You just need to use Discord and learn commands. Now let's go to the next category, which is who is it best for? What is it best for? Which is the bottom line? What is it best for? Font AI is best for content creators and marketers, which is perfect for quickly making eye-catching social media posts, ads, and video snippets. While Midjourney, on the other hand, is for artists and designers. The top choice for concept art, book covers, and projects where image quality is everything. Lastly, Lastly, it's quite simple. You may be asking, what choice should you make? Which should you choose? The answer is the choice is clear. If you need fast, versatile content for your business, Fant AI is your go-to. But if your number one priority is absolutely jaw-dropping image quality for a premium project, Midjourney is still the king. Both of them can help you create assets that boost your brand and your income. So which one are you using? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Remember, invest in your tools, invest in yourself. We'll see you in the next video.